Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Desk for You. Hey guys, in this video now we are going to configure all the required softwares for Appium configuration. Not only Appium, for Selenium and Appium, for both the things, okay, in Python. Now let's get started. We'll install one by one. For configuration and Appium and Selenium, we required all those things. First one is the Python, and then we required Appium and Selenium Python libraries to install after installing the Python. And then we required PyCharm IDE for writing the code. And then we required Appium desktop exe file to communicate with the device. Okay, and then we required for Android Studio. This Android Studio will be having all the ADB drivers and SDKs, and we can able to install the simulator from this one as well. So that we require the Android Studio as well. And this Xcode is required only for iOS automation purpose. In the Windows we can't install this one. Only in the Mac we can able to install this Xcode, so that in the Windows configuration everything we are skipping this one. Okay, we will see all these 5 steps, all these 5 softwares we are going to install in our Windows PC now. Okay, let's get started. This is my Windows PC. I have taken the remote desktop and launched the Chrome browser. In this, first we need to download the Python, and type as Python download and click on this link and see here. You can see the download link here. Download Python 3.8.3. This is the latest version. We are going to work on Python 3.x, not on 2.x. Okay, and click on download so that it automatically start download. See here, it got downloaded. Click on show folder. Now right click on this software and click on run as administrator and click on S, and now it will open the installation window. If we require to install in this path itself, we can directly click on this. Otherwise, if you click on this customization installation, then you can install in whatever path you required. Okay, and you need to check this box so that automatically the Python environmental variable, it will add the path whatever wherever we have installing our Python, the path will be added to environmental variable. And click on this customization installation. I'm going to install in the required path, and check this pip and click on next and click on this browser and check this box as well. This is because suppose take an example, in your Windows PC there are 2 more users. If you check this box, so that this Python will be available for all the users. Okay, and I'm going to install in this path our C folder, and inside this folder Python 38 and -32. In this path I'm going to install now. Okay, and click on install now. It will install. It will take some time, depends upon our internet speed. And see here, now Python got successfully installed, and click on close button and then launch the command prompt, and here type Python version. See here, we have successfully installed and everything is done. Here it is showing the Python version has 3.8.3, and whatever version we have downloaded, right, that same version it is showing. And we can see where that Python was installed. Previously we have selected one location, right, and by tapping where Python, we can see where the Python got installed. See here, we have selected this path. Previously it got installed there successfully, and this path was previously was installed by in my PC, so that it is showing that path as well. Okay, and now check for the pip version as well. Pip -- version, and see here the pip also got installed. The pip is a package installer, this one, and whatever the packages we are going to install for Appium and Selenium, we are going to install by using this pip. Okay, now everything is done in the Python installation. We have installed our Python version 3.8.3, and then pip also got installed successfully. We have added the environmental variables as well by keeping the checkbox while installation itself. Everything got added, and the step 1 is completed. Now we'll go for in the next video we are going to see how to install this Python Appium and Selenium libraries in Python. Okay, that's all. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.